Welcome to our channel. Protecting your online privacy requires developing consistent daily habits rather than one-time fixes, ensuring your personal information remains secure across all your activities. Step 1. Use a privacy-focused web browser like Firefox or Brave, or configure your current browser to block third-party trackers and cookies automatically. Step 2. Install a reputable ad blocker and privacy extension like uBlock Origin or Privacy Badger to prevent trackers from following your browsing activity across websites. Step 3. Use a virtual private network when connecting to public Wi-Fi networks to encrypt your internet traffic and prevent others from intercepting your data. Step 4. Create separate email addresses for different purposes, using one for important accounts, another for shopping, and a disposable email for signups you don't trust. Step 5. Review privacy settings on all your social media accounts regularly, limiting who can see your posts and personal information to only people you trust. Step 6. Think before you share personal information online, asking yourself if the information is necessary and considering who might access it now or in the future. Step 7. Use end-to-end encrypted messaging apps like Signal or WhatsApp for sensitive conversations to ensure only you and your recipient can read your messages. Step 8. Clear your browser history, cookies, and cache regularly to remove tracking data that websites have stored about your browsing behavior. Step 9. Opt out of data broker websites that collect and sell your personal information by using services like privacy.com or manually requesting removal. Step 10. Enable automatic software updates on all your devices to ensure you have the latest security patches, protecting against newly discovered vulnerabilities. Your daily privacy habits are now protecting your personal information online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.